What's going on, YouTube, man? It's a great day to be different. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna show you guys how to be different. We got a hot taper. First step, comb, brush, lay the canvas that you are going to be fading down. We're gonna start off with the bald line. Next step, one guard all the way open. We're not gonna be touching the top, so yeah, we went straight into fading. One guard, second notch. We're gonna flick out. When you start getting to the bulk, this prevents you from having to create a whole nother guideline. It's like you start the fading process up there in the bulk a lot earlier. We're gonna snap that off. We're gonna freehand just to clear some of that hair out of the way. And this also helps you to start fading. Helps you see the canvas a little bit better underneath that bulk. So then we're gonna throw that 1.5 guard on. And represented down there at the bottom right, the feather technique, we're gonna start using nothing but the corners. We're gonna hit the dark spots in the bulk. And then we're gonna snap on that half guard. And we're detailing from here. 0.5 guard, feather technique, nothing but your corners. Close, middle to open. The higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever. And we're attacking nothing but the dark spots. No guard. Start off close to attack that bald line. Second notch as you go up. And the higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever. As you can see, all the way open now. Now I'm up higher into the fade. Attacking nothing but the dark spots, using nothing but your corners. If you use your feather technique properly, as you can see, I'm going all the way into where the 1.5 was. Now, except this time with no guard. By over exaggerating and tilting the clipper properly, using nothing but your corner, you can feed the no guard all the way open into where you would put your 1.5 like I did earlier. Except this time, you're being a little bit more precise with where you're attacking and hitting nothing but the dark spots. It's gonna allow those dark spots to lighten up and begin to fade. As you can see right there, man, fade is pretty much in there. I'm doing nothing but detailing, making it look prettier. What I do to one side, you do to the other. Bald line, no guard open, one guard second notch, 1.5 if you need to, and then straight to detail. Nothing but detail after that. So the edge up, we start in the middle, walk it to one side, walk it to the other to match. And then we're gonna attack the vertical bars. He has a really small vertical bar, so I use that saber specifically for that. I use those small sabers for small vertical bars or for facial hair detailing. Hit that vertical bar with the pencil for some contour, both sides. And then hit them with some enhancements. We're gonna start off with the wet enhancements. As you can see already, just by that one sweep, how much of a difference that edge up looked. It made it pop so much more. Now, while I'm doing this part, I'm avoiding that blonde strip because we don't want it to look fake. So the good thing about this enhancement gun, it allows you to aim exactly where you want it to. You can get as close to the edge up as you need to. to avoid certain spots. Then we're gonna hit them with the hot sauce. The hot sauce is gonna let me eliminate any excessive overspray. Push that pencil over like I need to create that razor blade effect. As you can see right here, hot sauce. Push that pencil over, clean up that excessive spray, clean them up with a Q-tip. We use these shears to clean any over hair, any wild hairs, any loose hairs, any crazy hairs. We gotta get rid of those. That's gonna make a difference. And then here goes the back taper. I sped up through this, but it's the same steps. As you guys, he's got a wild back taper back there. It grows in all different directions. So it gave me a little challenge. It was pretty difficult, but you guys let me know what you think about the finished product. I'm gonna let you guys have it. I'll be back. All right, you guys saw the back taper. Now we're gonna line them up behind the ears. It's gonna finish off the haircut. You guys don't be scared to push that ear out of the way. Man, some people's ears be putting up a fight though. I ain't even gonna front. But it's not gonna hurt them. Get them out of the way. It's gonna make a huge difference. This spot right here makes a huge difference. I'm gonna use some pencil for some contour. That Q-tip. If it's too dark, if you over apply too heavy, just rub most of it off with the Q-tip. We'll move to the other side. Hold that ear down. Keep it out of the way. Very, very important. We're gonna round it off, clean any hair hanging over. Hit them with the pencil. We want to keep it light. Clean it up with a Q-tip. We're gonna call it a day, man. This is what my man's came in looking like. You guys remember. Yeah, you guys remember. What'd he come to do? To be different. Sheesh. Yeah, that's different. That's clean though. Sheesh. That's clean. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Whatever you guys got to do to keep me on your timeline. And we out, man. Peace.